Hey everyone, let's get cooking. There's something truly magical about Bavarian cuisine. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it always brings people together. I have such fond memories of visiting Oktoberfest years ago, the energy, the music, and of course the incredible food. This recipe for Oktoberfest chicken and red cabbage brings those vibrant flavors straight to your kitchen. It's a dish that's close to my heart, and I can't wait for you to give it a try. For this recipe, we're keeping things simple and delicious. Here's what you'll need. For the chicken, 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, and half a teaspoon ground caraway seeds. For the red cabbage, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion, thinly sliced, 1 red cabbage, about 2 pounds, cored and thinly sliced, 2 apples cored and diced, half a cup apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Let's start with the star of the show, the chicken. Whether you're using a whole chicken or just the thighs, the key to achieving that perfect balance of crispy skin and juicy meat lies in the preparation and cooking technique. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is crucial for rendering the fat and crisping up the skin. Now, pat the chicken thighs dry with paper towels. Removing excess moisture is essential because it allows the skin to become crispy rather than soggy. This helps the skin crisp up beautifully. You'll notice a significant difference in texture if you take the time to do this step properly. In a bowl, mix together the olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and caraway seeds. These spices not only add flavor, but also help in achieving that golden brown color. Rub this all over the chicken, making sure to get under the skin as well. This ensures that every bite is flavorful and delicious. Place the chicken thighs in a single layer in a baking dish. Arranging them in a single layer allows for even cooking and ensures that each piece gets crispy. Pop them into the preheated oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the skin is golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking, and you'll have perfectly crispy and juicy chicken every time. Section 4. The Red Cabbage Symphony, Sweet, Sour, and Savory Delights. This section is all about creating a harmonious blend of flavors that will elevate your meal to new heights. While the chicken is working its magic in the oven, let's create our sensational red cabbage side dish. This dish is not just a side, it's a star in its own right, bringing a burst of color and a medley of flavors to your table. This one's a real flavor bomb. The combination of sweet, sour, and savory elements will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. The oil should be shimmering but not smoking, ready to infuse the ingredients with its rich flavor. Add the sliced onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. The onions should become translucent and start to release their natural sweetness. Now, toss in the sliced red cabbage and diced apples. The vibrant colors of the cabbage and apples will make this dish as visually appealing as it is delicious. Give everything a good stir, letting the cabbage and apples mingle with the onions. This step ensures that all the flavors start to meld together beautifully. Next, pour in the apple cider vinegar and sprinkle in the brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. The vinegar adds a tangy kick, while the brown sugar balances it with a touch of sweetness. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to deepen and the cabbage to become tender. This gives the cabbage time to soften and develop its wonderful sweet and sour flavors. The end result is a dish that's both comforting and exciting, perfect for any occasion. Section 5. Serving up your Oktoberfest feast. This is where all the magic comes together, and you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Once the chicken is cooked to perfection, with its skin crispy and golden brown, and the meat tender and juicy, and the red cabbage has reached a delightful tenderness, absorbing all those wonderful flavors, it's time to bring this Oktoberfest feast together. The key is in the presentation, making sure each element shines. I like to serve the chicken and red cabbage alongside some creamy mashed potatoes, which add a comforting, smooth texture to the meal, or some crusty bread for soaking up all those delicious juices. The bread also adds a satisfying crunch. Remember to spoon some of that flavorful red cabbage sauce over the chicken. Trust me, this step is crucial. It takes it to a whole new level. The sauce adds a tangy sweetness that complements the savory chicken perfectly, And there you have it, a taste of Oktoberfest that's easy to make and guaranteed to impress. Your guests will feel like they're at a Bavarian festival. It's all about simple, fresh ingredients cooked with love. Each bite should remind you of the care and effort put into creating this festive meal. Enjoy! Section 6. Beyond the recipe, embracing the Oktoberfest spirit. This recipe is more than just a meal. It's an invitation to create memories and share the joy of good food with the people you love. So gather your friends and family, put on some lively music and raise a glass to good times and great flavors. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch, and most importantly, have fun with it.